Last week I was in San Francisco at VMworld 2019 with 20,000 technology professionals. At Principal Technologies, we believe that facts matter. And we work with many of the companies that were at VMworld, and we create a variety of collateral that the end users can then consume that will actually show them what they might expect if they use a particular product. Organizations are demanding simplicity. And VMware and their partner ecosystem are stepping up to the challenge. They're simplifying development, simplifying operations, simplifying the way that we purchase their products. Kubernetes has emerged as the standard for container orchestration for cloud-native applications. VMware has, through a variety of acquisitions, they've created what they call Project Tanzu. And Project Tanzu is this suite of applications and services that make Kubernetes easier to run. The whole multi-cloud push was exciting to see, and I think that's going to be a major factor going forward. Multi-cloud becomes important because customers are trying to take advantage of the cloud. They may find one technology that Amazon offers, and it may work well for a specific business problem. And there may be something in Microsoft Azure or Google or IBM that solves a different business problem, and they want to be able to move back and forth between them. I've been going to VMworld for over a decade now, and each year I notice that they're very good at forecasting what the next technology trend is going to be. And this year, I think they're right. Multi-cloud is going to be big. Kubernetes is going to be big. I think next up, we're going to see security. And that's going to open up a lot of new opportunities for infrastructure professionals as well as infrastructure companies. So that's going to be interesting to see.